Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, and here we're trying to side hustle our way to a supercar. But today we're bringing a new side hustle to the channel, DoorDash. Yep, we're gonna give DoorDash a try. So today is my very first day ever doing DoorDash, and we're gonna we have to take a delivery in order to get our bag ordered, our red card ordered, and whatever else there is that needs to come with the package. But they don't send that to us until we do our first delivery. So of course our first delivery is probably going to be complete trash, but if it's too bad, I'll decline it. So guys, follow my journey on DoorDash. I'll try to post most of my deliveries, but it is my first day, so I'm not sure how it's going to go. I'm located in Gresham, Oregon, and I'll do my best to make a quality video on my first day of DoorDash, but I can't promise anything. So guys, stay tuned. Let's do this. All right guys, so first time dashing. It's a little pink right now. It's not super busy, so we're gonna go ahead and dash now, and we'll dash until we'll go 12:30. Okay, so I got a charged phone and I have enough gas. Now once my red card comes, I think there's like, do you have your red card and do you have your dasher bag will be the next questions. Okay, we'll start dashing. We'll agree. I don't read anything. All right, guys. So we'll wait here and we'll see what happens. Now, the blue dot's here, and I'm not sure what that means, but apparently that must be where it's busy. So, all right, let's just wait a few minutes and see what happens. What's up, guys? So I just finished 2.5 hours of DoorDash deliveries. In those 2.5 hours, I was able to do 6 deliveries. Now, I accepted every delivery they sent me, so I could kind of get my feet wet in DoorDash, kind of see what can I expect from the app. And honestly, guys, like, it took me from my hometown of Gresham all the way to Portland, which is like 15 miles away. And I hate delivering in Portland because the apartments in Portland suck. Like, there's no parking, key codes to get into every freaking building. It sucks. So I finished up my deliveries where it sent me close to downtown. Ended my dash, drove back to Gresham. I'm gonna sit for a little while in a hot spot, see if I can get some more deliveries. But my goal every day is $200 a day in earnings, and then of course take taxes out, maintenance for the car and whatnot. But my goal is $200 a day for a side hustle. So I'm gonna sit here and wait for any orders. Now I did 6 orders, but I don't think I screenshotted 3 of them. I'm trying not to screw up on this DoorDash delivery thing until I get it down and actually know, but it's pretty simple. Actually, I was kind of nervous when I started, didn't know what was gonna be in store for me or what was gonna happen, but it's pretty simple. Turn the app on, show up at a restaurant, there's signs that say pick up orders, and you pick up the bag with the customer's name, throw it in your DoorDash bag. Now, a DoorDash driver I met on the road, she gave me this bag, pretty cool of her. We were out delivering to another apartment where you can't get in, wait for the customer to walk down from whatever flight she was, like 4 stories up, to come get her stuff, and she gave me a bag, so that's cool. But guys, I'm gonna sit here and wait to do more deliveries, and we'll catch up later. What's up, guys? So it's about 4 o'clock right now, and I'm ending my DoorDash day. I'll put a picture up, but I made about $104 in 4 hours and 24 minutes, and I wasn't cherry picking orders. I was just taking whichever paid me close to $1.50 to $2 a mile. I just need to learn how to do GoDash to see what it's about. I'm only going to do a 4-hour shift. Tomorrow I'll start earlier and do it for an 8-hour shift. But this 4 hours and 24 minutes, I average right around $25 an hour. So my daily goals are about $200 a day with DoorDash as a side hustle. So, about 8 to 10 hour day of driving. Whoa, sorry, I'm shaking so much. I'll try to fix that in the post edits. But yeah, so it's not too bad. As soon as I get done driving, we'll talk a little bit more about DoorDash probably, and